Hello everyone, my name is Chris with the K, and today we will be talking about QR code. Wait, come back. This is not the same video. We are actually going to be talking about how are you going to be creating your QR code using the mobile phone. So what you see here is an online website called QR Code Monkey that allows you to generate a QR code. There are many different online websites that allows you to do a QR code. I simply choose this because it's very straightforward and it's free. So right now what you see here, the first thing that you enter is your content, and you just update this by adding your mobile website that you want to generate a QR code for. So for me, it will be mobilewebsecrets.com, and then I can select color, and for me, my website's brand color is actually red color, so I'm going to choose red. And then background, I'll just leave it white and red never goes wrong, and it's a very Singaporean color. I'm from sunny Singapore and I love red. And logo, let me find a logo. Right now I'm recording this on my phone. I think I have the logo somewhere. Just need to search for it. Never mind. Let me just maybe put okay, let's skip the logo for today then. Cancel. I'm not going to put the logo, but maybe I'll put my YouTube. Yeah, so maybe I'll link this up to my YouTube page after this. And then I'm going to customize my design. So custom design is really just determining the different shapes that you want inside the QR code. So the standard one is your pixels, then you have dots, you have like different kind of like stars, diamonds that you can choose, and you can choose the iframe is just the corners. The four corners will have something that is called the iframe. So I can maybe select the second one, and my eyeball is what is inside the frame. I'll just keep it as a black, and then I'll then create QR code. Okay. So once the QR code is created, you can see it's red in color, and then I had a logo that is under YouTube, and then red on red. I think that's good. And then once this is done, I can simply just download PNG. Yeah, just click and hold and save this as an image. And now this QR code will be inside, and I can just point this, put it onto my website, and then when people or maybe not even on my website, earlier when I showed the QR code that's on my name card, right? I can actually use that and print it onto the name card. When I give my name card to someone else, they can just scan it using their phone cameras, and straight away it'll bring them to a website. And of course, since they are using their phone cameras, they'll be opening up your website inside their mobile phones. So if you like what I've shared in this video, click on the like button, leave a comment, and click on subscribe. See you next time.